Cases of a new Omicron subvariant known as Stealth have been detected in the tri-state area.
And an appeals court ruling is expected soon on the New York State mask mandate. CBS 2's Dick Brennan reports.
Tomorrow, an appeals court will review more arguments over the New York State indoor mask mandate to decide whether to eliminate the statewide requirement to cover up.
There are good points and bad points, but I think it's good in general for everybody to wear masks.
A lower court struck down the mandate, but it has been temporarily reinstated until the appeals court can rule.
I think everybody should do what they feel comfortable doing, and if there's a mandate to wear a mask, then I'll certainly do it.
The showdown on masks comes as a new Omicron subvariant known as BA.2 has been detected here in the U.S.
It's very, very low percentage in the United States. Bottom line, we're keeping a very close eye on it.
It's called the Stealth variant, already seen in 17 states, including the first few cases reportedly in New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut.
The preliminary evidence is it might be slightly more transmissible, and it does not appear to be more aggressive.
This subvariant appears as Omicron cases continue to go down in our area. And infection specialist Dr. David Goldberg of New York Presbyterian says the Stealth variant should not necessarily have anyone sounding an alarm about a new COVID outbreak.
Explain to the layperson, including me, why is this just not the next variant that we were worried about?
There have been dozens of variants, I think maybe hundreds of variants since the pandemic began. Most of them do not have significance. Most of them are not the next Omicron or the next Delta.
Now, health experts say the Stealth variant is diagnosed as quickly as the other infections. And Dr. Goldberg says even though there probably will be more variants, the good news is more people have immunity, we have vaccines, and we have treatments. Dick Brennan, CBS 2 News.